This is not clickbait. You're about to discover how to access the most powerful AI video model for free. V3 is without a doubt one of the best AI video generation tools out there. But let's be honest, it normally costs a whopping $250. That's not pocket change. But what if I told you, you can get the same jaw-dropping results, absolutely free?
I got it.
Stick with me, because in this video, I'll show you how to access V3 for free, step by step. And to prove this isn't just talk, take a look at what I've already generated using this exact method.
I found it how to get it for free.
Let me give you a quick live demo to show it really works. I'll input this prompt. A leader of apes with alpha traits leading his group, shouting with fury, "We will beat the humans. We are not slaves anymore." Inspired by Planet of the Apes cinematic short style. The AI will take about 3 to 5 minutes, and here's the output.
"We will beat the humans. We are not slaves anymore."
Now you might be thinking, wait, isn't that a paid feature? I see the pro icon there. Good catch, but here's the secret. I didn't pay a penny. Let me show you. Simply search for V03 and follow the Gemini AI link. You'll land on a page that lets you start a 1-month free trial of Google AI Pro. At first, V3 wasn't even included in the Pro plan, but now, you actually get access to V3 under a limited trial. And here's the best part. It also unlocks Deep Research, version 2.5 Pro, and yes, V3 video generation. You can access this in 2 ways, through Gemini AI. Through Flow AI, which I'll show in a moment. Once you're on the site, just visit gemini.google/subscription. Click Get Started, agree to the terms, and add your debit card. Don't worry, you won't be charged, this is a free trial. You can cancel anytime before the month ends. Once done, you now have full access to V3. Now for those who want to generate image-to-video content, here's a quick tip. Use Flow AI. Just visit the platform and click Create with Flow. You'll see an interface with options like text to video, frames to video. Ingredients to video, only for ultra users. Let's try this. I'll upload an image and add the prompt, an ape beating his chest in rage, challenging others. Make sure to select V3 from the settings. V3 costs 100 credits per video. V2 in fast mode costs 10 credits, but V2 in high quality can cost 200. So V3 is totally worth it. Here's the output it gave me. As you can see, your result depends on your prompt quality, but this is next level stuff. And if you ever run out of credits, don't worry, you can also generate videos directly inside Gemini AI. They don't clearly say how many, but it's pretty generous. So yes, it's real, and it's official. Google is giving you V3 for free for an entire month. No tricks. No hacks. Just a golden opportunity.